Hi, I'm Laura Rafferty. I'm a PhD computer science student, and this is my Ontario Tech story. I've been at Ontario Tech for over 10 years now, and it's been really supportive for me for basically shaped my entire career. When I finished my undergrad, I decided to continue into a master's and afterwards PhD, as I just wanted to continue to expand my knowledge. At the same time, I've had a lot of support from my employer throughout that time. I was working part-time during my master's degree, and then afterwards now I'm working full-time while pursuing a part-time PhD. I also had the opportunity to be involved with some cool research projects on smart toys and children's privacy during my master's degree, and currently I'm working on security for the Internet of Things. So right now I'm the Senior Manager of Cybersecurity Innovation at CIBC, and what my team does is industry research on emerging trends that can impact our cybersecurity strategies and roadmaps.